Welcome back. Welcome back. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my video. My name is Marcy Dorn, and today's video is a tutorial to show you how to apply color to your hair. Supplies you'll need to color your hair at home would be a color tube, color developer, color bowl, color brush, clips, a comb, and most importantly, gloves. So this is Miss Debra, child. Okay, Miss Debra is a natural level 6. Her hair has been cut a few times, her hair has been played in a couple times, but her hair has not been colored. So today Miss Debra will be going from a natural level 6 to a level 3 intense red. So in order for me to deposit that intense red into her hair, I would need to use a volume 5 or a volume 10 developer. So today I will be using a volume 10. Please make sure that you are coloring clean, dry hair. If you have not washed your hair before coloring, your hair color will not come out evenly. So please make sure that you shampoo your hair and dry. It is not necessary to put conditioner on your hair before coloring, but it is important to shampoo. So you see the tube set black cherry, that is the 3 intense red, 3 IR, meaning intense red. Most tubes come with 2 ounces of color. Some may come with 1.5, but the rule of thumb is 1-to-1 ratio. So for the same amount of permanent dye that you measure on your scale, you want to measure the same amount of developer. Now that we have our scale on, we're going to measure out 40 grams of color and 40 grams of developer. So now we're going to use 40 grams of that 10 volume developer. If you go over a little bit, it's okay. You want to whisk until you reach this creamy consistency, almost like cornbread batter. Please, 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 please don't forget to put your gloves on, ladies and gentlemen, because the burn that your fingernails experience when you've touched hair color, without gloves, don't do it. Don't do it. So what you want to do now is section your hair into 4 sections. Minimum 4 sections. You could do 4, you could do 6, but you want to section your hair out because you don't want to just put color anywhere. There have to be a method to your madness. And the color in the back of your hair, if you know it or not, takes longer to process. The hair is much thicker. The hair is sometimes more coarse than the hairs in the front. And you may wonder why, oh, I colored my hair, but the front of my hair is lighter than the color in the back. This is why, ladies and gentlemen. So now that we have our sections, we're going to start out by outlining the section with the hair color. We're able to go to the root with this color because we are going from a level 6 to a level 3. That means we're going darker. We're depositing color. So it is safe to start at the root and go to the end. If you were going from dark to light, I would not advise you to follow this video, okay? Here's a big shout out to everyone who commented on my last video. Well, it's actually this video, but I had to remake it due to copyright claim. But I want to say thank you so much to everyone that I may have helped or who have asked me questions on what they should do with their hair. Thank you so much for helping me reach almost 30,000 views, and thank you for my 74 subscribers. Another tip I'll add is to avoid having hot roots when you are going from dark to light is to not start at the roots. Always start at the end. Leave about 1 inch to 1.5 inch space from your root to where you start to apply the color. Okay? Also, make sure that you guys have enough hair color as well. You want to make sure that you are saturating your hair. You want it to look like, you know, if you see in this video, it looks as if I'm putting conditioner on my hair, or I'm, you know, putting a deep treatment on my hair. You want your hair to be saturated, because if your hair is not saturated, that leads to splotchiness, that leads to uneven hair color. So to avoid that, just make sure that you have more than enough color. More is the best. Less is not more when it comes to coloring your hair, ladies and gentlemen, okay? "45 minutes later, you can see that the hair has oxidized and is much darker than the hair was before. So now we're going to wash it out and we're going to style as desired.